so much win. I am super excited because last night I pre-ordered Elon Musk flamethrower. Now this is not gonna be some crazy 40, 50 foot flamethrower shooting napalm and setting villages on fire. This is gonna be like a high-powered butane torch. The flame looks like it can only go about 2 to 4 feet. Apparently the rule is as long as the flame doesn't go longer than 10 feet, you're okay to sell it. So I'm really excited about this. What do you think I should set on fire? I definitely foresee a flamethrower versus an iPhone or perhaps the Galaxy S9 when it comes out. Not sure when it's gonna come in the mail. It's still in the pre-order phase. Now there is a lawmaker trying to prevent the sale of these flamethrowers. And I'm just like, yeah, good luck with that. There's too many people who want this. And these are pretty safe. I mean, they're essentially like giant butane torches that are more portable, like with a smaller tank. And yes, someone could go around setting stuff on fire with this, but they could do that with a little bit of gasoline and a match way easier than they could with this thing. I just don't understand what the fuss is about. There is a limited number of these that they're making, apparently only 20,000. I bought mine last night, so I think around the 10,000 sales mark. I'm excited. Hopefully it's an amazing product. It's supposed to be the safest flamethrower of all time. Should be fun. Like, you know, the kind of thing where you could just get a few of them with your buddies and have a nice flamethrower war. No, don't do that. I'm joking. There's just so much win here. I just love the idea. What do you think about this whole flamethrower thing? Is it pointless because it's not a liquid projectile 40-foot flamethrower? Would you get one if you had the money to buy one? There's a good question. That's it for today's video. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out.